welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Butterbear Photo Op in Heartopia. So as you can see on the map here in Art Street, you can find that there is a Butterbear dessert stand. The Butterbear Roadshow stops next at Heartopia. At Heartopia, everyone's welcome to check in. I'm just going to track where that is. Look how cute my cart is, guys. Okay, sorry it's a little bit slower than my usual car, but here's where you can take a lot of cute photo ops. There's one like right here. Hold on. Let me just decline this. There's one here. This one's super cute where you can press it and it's like a cute photo op. And then you can also take pictures like here. Okay, let me just. You can also like take pictures here. And then here as well. And you can also change the background of it, which I think is so cute. Okay, it's still in cooldown. And it's just like showcasing like what you can get from the event. Oh my gosh. What? There is a stove? Okay, but you can't use it. It's just showing like a bread. Oh my god, cute! I love this. This is cute. Okay, I said like cute so many times already, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!